Alright, ready?
Wait.
Oh my god.
He's in the air.
Don't fly into the road.
Oh,
I think that's a long radius, too.
Uh-oh.
Highway. How do you weigh it? Is the question we're all wondering. Oh, go catch that. Yeah, go catch that bird up there.
No, definitely don't do that.
Why?
Because it'll take out your jet. You almost lost it.
Can you just imagine? Like, it just went all the way.
You might want to bring her down, Dad. Get that figured out.
That's cool.
Yeah. It flies.
That's
It's
Did
been
they
a-
actually mold the parts like his YouTube channel's called? Like, is it molded?
He
He actually was gonna make a company called Fin Molding.
He was?
Yeah.
I didn't,
Did
no.
he actually mold the plastic though? Or is it
No, that's 3D printed.
3D printed.
I like molded stuff.
He's molded, like, he molds jets and makes them out of carbon fiber, though.
How are you gonna land it?
It's like fiber. It's a really, really light, really, really strong material. Here, Zach, out of the way. Yeah, no, it's really
Is it
strong.
like fiberglass or something?
Kind of.
Oh man, come in!
Oh, he's
Watch out for the ditch.
Oh, you see that?
Success!